Hello dear student, welcome to all of you in this video. Dear children, in this video I will explain the estimation of number, how we will find the actual and estimated sum, difference, quotient and product. So now let us start the last exercise of chapter number 4, estimation. So now take your textbook. Here first question are given. This is chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Estimation of number. Question number 1. Estimate. Here given. Question you can see from your textbook. Estimate the sum of the following numbers. Of the following numbers by using rounding method. By using rounding method and verify the sum verify the sum. Here once again, estimate the sum of the following numbers by using rounding method and verify the sum. The number are given. This one 6,580 and 3,292. Here saying estimate the sum of the following number by using rounding method and verify the sum. So first we have to rounding this number. After rounding we have to find their sum. That sum is known as estimated sum. And then after we have to find the actual sum. That is, we have to add these given numbers. And then actual sum will be estimated or rounding near 1000. It will be same as the estimated sum. So children, here since the largest digit of this number are given 1000, so these number we have to rounding nearest 1000. Sometimes the actual and estimated both are not same as after rounding, but they are more close. So in that case we have to write more close than both estimated and actual. So now how to do this question? First we have to rounding these two numbers, and after that we have to add that sum known as estimated sum. So now start how to solve this type problem. So answer will start. First one. We have to find here. First we have to rounding. 6,580 is rounded to 7,000. Here written 6,580 is rounded to 7,000. I rounded this number nearest 1000. Here 125, so 1000 will be increased by 1. 6,000. This is 6,580 is rounded to 7,000. And the second number 3,292 is rounded to 3,000. We have to find the estimated sum. Now we have to find the estimated sum. Estimated sum. So estimated sum will be 7,000 plus 3,000. This become 10,000. And after that we have to find the actual sum. After that we have to find the actual sum. Add the given numbers. Numbers are given. These 6,580, 6,580 and plus 3,292. We have to add it 2 and 0. This will be 2 and here will be 7 and here will be 8. That is actual sum is 9,872. These actual sum we have to rounding near 1,000. So you can write this can be rounded as which rounded to 10,000. This 9,872 is more close to 10,000. So we have to write this 10,000. See, after rounding the actual sum, this is same as estimated sum. So here verified that is actual sum is same as, that is after rounding the actual sum become estimated sum, which is same as. You can write which is you can write which is same as this last line, which is same as estimated sum. Estimated sum. So in this way you can complete the remaining question. And after the estimated sum, you can write as a heading verification. Then you have to add original number. You will get the actual sum, and actual sum will be rounded as. Then you will get more close to estimated sum or same as estimated sum. So similarly, you can do the estimated difference. So now come on question number 2. Question number 2 is saying, you can see the question from your textbook. Second question, estimate the difference of the following numbers and by using the rounding method and verify the difference. The numbers are given. First one, the numbers are given 3,128 and 7,643. 3,128 and 7,643. You have to rounding. So here large number first we have to rounding. 7,643 is rounded is rounded to 8,000. I rounding these number nearest thousand. 3,128 is rounded to 3,000. This is 3,000. Now after that we have to find the estimated difference by subtraction. Now estimated difference. Estimated difference will be 8,000 minus 3,000. This will be 5,000. Dear children, after estimated sum or difference, you can write as a heading verification. So now come on, how to verify? You can put as a heading verification. What to do in verification? We have to find the actual difference by subtracting the given numbers. So actual difference you can subtract 7,643 3,128. You can subtract like that. If you subtract 13 minus 8 is 5, and here 3 minus 2 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4. This is actual difference. If you rounding these actual difference nearest 1,000, it becomes 5,000. Which is, you can write which is rounded to this 4,515, rounded to 5,000, and this was estimated difference. You can write which is same as estimated difference. You can write clearly. After that I am writing here. At last you can write which is same as estimated difference. Which is same as estimated difference. So now it is verified. And now third one, here asking estimate the following numbers. Here saying estimate the product of the following numbers by using rounding method, and verify the actual product. Question number 5. The first one of this question, here numbers are given 189 multiplied by 64. Dear student, this number we have to rounding nearest 100 and this will be rounded as nearest tens. So first we have to find the estimated product. That is, after rounding the number we have to multiply and then you get estimated product. So 189 is rounded to 200. Because C tens place is 8, which is more than 5. So we are not saying rounding the required place, but it is common since this number should be rounded nearest 100 and this nearest tens. And 64 is rounded to 60. After that we have to find the estimated product. Hence estimated product this will be 200 multiplied by 60. If you multiply these two numbers, so 6 to the 12 and 3 more 0, that is 12,000. And after that we have to find the actual. After that we have to do the verification. Okay. Verification. So you can write as a verification. We have to multiply the given number and directly you can write estimated product. Not given number, rounding number. Estimated product. Estimated product. The rounding number was 260. Sorry. We have to find the in verification actual product. You have to find the actual product by multiplying the given number. Actual product 189 multiplied by 64. If you will multiply these two numbers, 12,096. This becomes 12,096 after multiplication. And this number is rounded. You can write which is rounded to 12,000. And dear student, which is same as estimated product. You can write which is same as estimated product. Which is same as estimated product. I hope all of understood. Now same way we have to do estimated quotient. The last question. Your last question saying estimate the quotient of the following number and verify the answer. That is estimate the following. Estimate the quotient of the following number by the rounding method and verify your answer like that. So these numbers are given here. 836 divided by 38. This is 836 divided by 38. Only first one I will do. So first we have to find the estimated quotient by rounding these numbers. This number we have to round. 836 we have to rounding nearest 100. It become 800, and this number rounded nearest tens. This become 40. So now come on here. 836 is rounded. 36 is rounded to 800, and 38 is rounded to 40. Now we have to find the estimated quotient. Hence estimated quotient 800 divided by 40. So 1010 will be cancelled. 4 to the 8. This is 20. Now we have to do verification. Now do verification. Verification. We have to find the actual quotient by dividing the number. Hence actual quotient. This will be 836 divided by 38. 836 should be divided by 38. If you divide, your quotient will be 22, which is rounded. When 22 will be rounded as nearest tens, which is rounded to 20, and you can write which is same as estimated product. Sorry, quotient, which is same as estimated quotient. So I hope children all have understood well. And dear students, sometimes here actual and estimated both are not same as after rounding. So in that case you can write them more close in the place of same as. Okay. So in this video children, only this much. I am looking you forward to visit in the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching.